In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your downloaded videos and watch them offline. If you've saved videos for later, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find them and how to play them without an internet connection. First, open the app and look for the three horizontal lines icon. This is commonly called the menu or hamburger icon, and it's usually located at the top corner of the screen. On some devices, it may be on the left, on others on the right, but it always looks like three stacked lines. Tap it once to open the main navigation panel. If the menu doesn't appear right away, give it a second. Sometimes it can take a brief moment to load if the app has just launched. Inside this menu, look for the option labeled Downloads. Depending on your app's version, it might be called Downloaded, Offline, or Saved Videos, but the meaning is the same. Tap Downloads to open your offline library. This area is designed to collect everything you've already downloaded onto your device so you can access it quickly without searching through your entire account or home feed. Once you're in the download section, you'll see all the videos that are stored locally on your device. You should notice thumbnails, titles, and often details like file size or duration. Many apps also display a small icon or check mark indicating that the content is fully saved and ready to play offline. If a video doesn't appear here, it likely hasn't been downloaded yet, or it may have been removed to free up space. If you have a lot of items, some apps provide filters or a search bar to help you find exactly what you want. From this screen, you can watch your videos even when you're offline. Simply tap a video to start playback, and it should begin without using mobile data or Wi-Fi. This is especially helpful when traveling, commuting, or anywhere you expect a weak or costly connection. Keep in mind that offline playback relies on the files stored on your device, so ensure you have enough storage space and that you haven't cleared the app's cache or data. Some services also set expiration periods for downloads. If a title has expired, the app will prompt you to refresh it when you're back online. That's it. Open the menu with the three horizontal lines, go to Downloads, see your saved videos, and enjoy them offline whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing wherever you are.